Hi everyone, today I'm gonna share with you guys how to use the phone number in French. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Mbote bandeko nyonso boza kolanda ngai. Lelo na kwansene bino ndenge nini tolobaka ba numéro ya téléphone na français na anglais, okay? Ndena baka so boza mituna botinda ngai yango na ko répondre, osala nyonso na répondre bino. Alors, eloko liboso tokosala na biso nde sokolinga otanga na anglais. Guys, when you read in French, don't you know this S, don't get confused, okay? Because when we read, when you read them, let's say you have a sentence, in some situation we link them, in some situation we don't, okay? In this case, for example, I say les numéros de téléphone au Canada, okay? So we come here. You know, in Canada, when we read the number, for example, I can say in English, let's say somebody asking me my phone number. I'm not going to say 12, 49, 47, 16, 18. No, we don't say like that. I'm going to say 905. I stop. Okay, I'm going to go like this. 905. I stop. 308. I stop. 4567. Okay, so I'm going to repeat. Okay, in English, when let's say my friend's asking me my number, okay, I'm gonna say 416. I stop. 347. I stop. 4367. That's how we read the number in English. In Canada, okay. So that's why I end up putting like this, okay. In Canada, the telephone numbers are usually say one number at a time. Okay? Sometimes the 3-digit prefix will be given one number at a time, while remaining 4 digits will be said into two groups of 2-digit numbers. Okay? But in Europe, the telephone numbers are usually said in groups of 5 2-digit numbers. Okay, so so I'm gonna repeat again in case some of you don't get it. In Canada, the telephone numbers are usually say one numbers at a time. Okay, sometimes the 3-digit prefix will be given one numbers at a time, while remaining 4 digits will be said in two groups of 2-digit numbers. In Europe, telephone numbers are usually said in groups of 5 2-digit numbers. Okay? So, come here. For example, this is Paul. Okay? This is Paul. This is his last name, Dixon. He lives in Brussels, in Belgium. Okay? So this is his number. For me, this is how I'm gonna read it. Okay, in English, I'm gonna read like this. If I wanna read them in English, I'm gonna combine them like this. Okay, so if I go 02 43 33 22 30. That's how I'm gonna read them in French. Alright. So in case of Julie, Françoise, she lives in Paris, France. Okay. So if she wanted me to read her numbers, this is how I'm gonna read them. 02 40 27 06 39. Okay, so this is Guylain. This is last name Mpindi. Guylain lives in Toronto, Ontario. Okay, so if I want to read Guylain, his number, this is how I'm gonna read in English. 4, you know, if I want to, like, in English, we don't say 416, 313, 336. It's long. I'm just gonna say 416, 313, 336. That's how I'm gonna say it. Okay, because if English is not your first language, let's say you are talking to an ESL student, if you for them to understand, yes, I'm gonna say 416. The ESL student gonna get it right. But if I wanna speak the way Canadians or Americans speaks, the ESL student, they won't get it. Now, because I'm gonna say 416 313 0336. But some people also, when you give them the number, especially when you call the customer service, depend if like they're true Canadian, the white, or the black, the one they born here. Yes, if you're ESL student, you're gonna struggle to understand them because they speak really fast. Do you understand what I'm saying? When you go in the state, the accent is different. Yo, do you understand what I'm trying to say, huh? Come here. So in states, different states have a different way of speaking. For example, if you live in Philadelphia, the accent is different. If you live in Michigan, Michigan, they also have a different accent. Many of them, the way they speak, it's a little completely different. When you move to Canada, for example, where I live in Canada, they also have their accent. You go in Australia, same thing. You go to where's that place? Nigeria, same thing. South Africa, same thing. Okay, so but we are not here to judge them. As long as I understand them, I'm good to go. Okay, so if I want to read my number, you ask me my number to read them for you in English. This is how I'm gonna go. Okay, 416. 416, too long. I'm just gonna say 416 313 or 32 03 36 for you to get it. But if you're an ESL student, I have to go slowly. I'm gonna go 416 313 0336. Okay, if you're an ESL student, I know that I cannot speak to you the way I speak to native American. I'm not talking about Native American. No, I'm talking about like the native speaker. I cannot speak to you like them. No, because you're not gonna get it right. Okay. So same thing here for if you live in the States, in Michigan. Yes. For example, let's say I'm talking to Amy, and Amy gave me her number, or I give Amy her number. So let's say that Amy give me her number, right? She's like, "Oh, Timo, do you wanna come to my place tonight to hang around? I wanna just chill with you." Okay, sure, I'm gonna be there. What time? 9 p.m. 9:36 p.m. Or she can say, "Okay, can you be here at 9:30?" Okay, I'm gonna be there. What's your number? 616-940-4433. Or I can go like this: 616-940-4033. Because sometimes when you speak on the phone, some people don't get it. They're gonna repeat over and over. But to me, I know when I'm speaking to the native speaker, I know I don't have any problem. Like when I speak to the ESL student, yes, I'm gonna be honest with you. When I speak to Canadian, I have no problem. American, like I'm talking about like African American, I got it. I have no problem for them. The white, I have no problem for them. But if I speak to somebody like from Africa or Asia, I struggle to understand them. But it's okay. We don't have to judge them. You know what I mean? So same thing like in French. Here in French, if I want to say this in French, I'm gonna say, for example, here 416, 313, 0336. Here I'm gonna say 616, 940, 4433. That's how I can say them in French. Alright? So yeah. So we come here, this one in English, okay? I just wanna give you guys an idea because I mix them French and English. So this one is my friend Eric. This is one is me. So Eric say, "Hi, How are you doing? Not too bad. What's up? Not much. What is your number? 416 313 0336. Or I can say 416 or 416 313 0336. Boom, that's it. Because I know that Eric he used to be an ASR student, or even though he speaks English well now, but I have to deal with him the way I deal with the ESR student. But if you've been here more than 30 years, no, that's one is done. That's it. I'm gonna speak to him the way I speak to native student. Or even if he's here more than 20 years, that's it. Because if you live in a country for more than 20 years, yes, your language, you like, don't like it's gonna go up. But not everybody, because I see a lot of Asian, they don't care about it, no. Some of them, they speak their native language, to be honest with you, but it's okay, at least, so yeah, so I'm gonna go back again. This is Eric. Hi, how are you doing? Not much, not too bad. What's up? Not much. What is your number? 416 313 0336. The main reason I'm reading like this, I'm saying them like this, because Eric is in an ESR student, maybe in some situation, okay? So one more time. Hi, how are you doing? Not too bad. What's up? Not much. What is your number? 416 313 0336, okay? So yeah, so I'm gonna stop here for today. I know the video is not that long, so in case you don't get it, please watch them again. You should be good, okay? So thank you so much, you guys.